Hello friends, welcome to GrapiEarth. Today I will show you how to create simple Photoshop manipulation in just two blend images. Let's start now. First open Adobe Photoshop. Then first open your work image like this. Then click image. Click image rotation. Click flip horizontal. Then select crop tool. Then crop this picture. Then click. Now select quick selection tool and as you want you can size increase or decrease. Then select this picture clearly. Now click mouse right button. Then click layer via copy. Now you can see this. Now open your second work image. Now click. Then this layer decrease opacity 70 plus. Now click three dot and create clipping marks. Now Ctrl plus T on keyboard. Then drag carefully. Then click mouse right button and click warp. Then drag carefully. Now click. Then increase opacity 100% again. Now this layer click mask tool. Then select brush tool. Select arrow. Now choose soft round. Size as you want. Mode normal. Opacity 30%. Follow 30%. Make sure color black and white, foreground color black and background color white. Now drag. You can zoom it. Now see this. Comment on how you like today's tutorial. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends and be the first to get interesting tutorials. Then subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon. Alright friends, I am finishing today's tutorial here. We will see again in the new tutorial. Take care everyone.